Hi guys, today we are playing eating in Jollibee. So let's play. Ooh, let's play it now. Let's go to Jollibee. Let's order. Hello, welcome to Jollibee. May I take your order? I hate bacon. Cheesy hamburger. And that one. And this one. That's for breakfast and it's already night. I hate that. This chicken nuggets. $10. Then I already have a Coke float, so no this now. Only the green one. Oh my god, bacon girl. Let's go. Let's eat. No. I'ma go solo. Oh my god. Let's go sit. There. And there. And my book. The first thing we need to eat is chicken nuggets. I love chicken nuggets. How to eat now? Let's eat these chicken nuggets. There. This. Go. That's enough. Time for the chicken. So yummy. Okay, that's finished. I forgot the sauce. Let's eat now. I'm a fast eater. Time to eat my burger. Time to eat this. I am destroying Coca-Cola now. I'm eating Coca-Cola right now. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Eat this. Eat that. Eat. I'm eating. Is there any buko pandan in Jollibee? Oh, I finished. Please clean this table. Okay. I'ma follow you. Saan ka naman pupunta, bro? Oh, let's go to the bathroom. Boys, I need some privacy. There, I'm finished. Hey, how dare you! You such a... How dare you! I'm going to catch you! So, that's it, guys. Palimus naman. Joke lang. So, okay. Let's go home. Is it even free here? Hey dude, give me some hot dogs. Ay, sorry po. Ubus na po. How dare you, bro? Eat my spoon. Eat my spoon. Ayaw ko nga. Ay, loko-loko ka ah. Uwi na nga ako. Hindi na ako pupunta dito sa'yo. Ikaw, mga barbecue. Ala, ano ito? Mga ito. Uy, wag mo pagkapakan ah. Niluluto ko pa ito. Wala akong pake dyan sa mga niluluto mo. Don't do this in real life. This is bad, guys. You know that already. Who's even this? Oh my god, two couples. They even have a cup. I need to get in. Oh, the lonely girl. So, that's the end, guys. Bye-bye for the next videos. Eat my spoon.